Hi, today I'm sharing how I take my naturally fine, sparse eyebrows from this to this. Fuller, thicker looking brows that still have a beautifully natural finish. Hi everyone, I'm Tori, I've been a brow artist for over 10 years and today I'm sharing one of my favourite eyebrow makeup routines with you. It's super simple and yet it is so transformative. It creates the look of lifted laminated brows, which can be particularly flattering if you have hooded, deep set eyes or just want to create the illusion of thicker, fuller eyebrows. It's a nice, easy routine and you only need a couple of products and a few minutes to achieve it. The first product you'll need is the e.l.f. Brow Lift. I absolutely love this clear gel. It comes in a small pot and it's amazing to create a lifted look. Plus, it's only £6, so it's very budget friendly. How you apply this makes quite a big difference to the finished look, so I personally always recommend a lip gloss applicator. Scoop a small amount of the gel out of the pot and I personally like to place it on the back of my hand and work from there. Now gently press the gel into your brows, moving upwards to lift the hairs. This step is key to creating that beautifully lifted laminated look. The gel holds everything in place without it feeling heavy or sticky. It won't flake or dry or peel or any of that horrible stuff. Next, grab a brow brush and start shaping the brows while the gel is still tacky. Brush upwards and outwards, following the natural curve of your eyebrow. This will enhance that lifted effect and give your brows a fuller appearance. However, if you prefer a smoother, flatter finish, then I would skip this step. Now it's time for the NYX Lift and Snatch pen. This pen is amazing for adding precise definition and filling sparse areas. It's so clever because you can mimic hair strokes with this product. I have the pen in two colours, espresso and ash blonde. Both are true neutral to cool tone shades. It's absolutely not necessary to have more than one colour. You can just pick the best match for your brows and use that shade. However, mixing shades will give more dimension and texture, which results in more natural finish. I use light feathery strokes to mimic natural hair. It's easy to use, but there is definitely a learning curve with this product, so experiment with pressure and technique and eventually you'll get the natural hair-like finish that you're after. A helpful tip is to have a tissue handy in case the pen pulls ink when you're first using it. I find that when they are brand new and you hold the pen in certain positions, the product can build up at the tip, so just swipe over a tissue to remove excess. I focus on areas that are sparse or patchy first, and I like to work from the front of my brow and then along to the tail, just creating hair strokes where needed, but not filling the whole eyebrow. This creates the fullness that I'm after while keeping a lovely, natural, no makeup look finish. For me, less is more here, and my goal is to keep everything very natural and effortless, but you can absolutely build this product further for an even more defined finish. Regularly take a step back from the mirror and look at both brows and how they're sitting within your face. Once you're happy with the shape and definition, take one last look to make sure everything is blended and seamless. And you can always go back in with the brush to soften any areas if needed. And there you have it, a beautifully lifted laminated brow look that is affordable and it's easy to do. I hope you've enjoyed this routine and feel confident to go and try it for yourself. And if you're still after some more tips of how to grow thicker and fuller eyebrows, then you may want to check out this next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.